Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedre. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So today guys, I'm back with another powerful strategy for you guys. So this strategy is one of the best strategy that can help you guys towards to trade successful on crash 1000 and boom 1000. So this video is going to be on crash 1000, which is 30-minute time frames, as you can see at this particular moment. And we have our indicator settings, which is what exactly we are going to be using to trade this successfully. So guys, with this strategy, you are going to be enter the market anytime you want. Once you find the best thing we want to explain inside this video, once you find this so accurate. So let me show you the settings of this strategy before I explain how it works. So on our main chart, we don't have anything on our main chart. What you just need on your main chart is to use your arrow signal to indicate when to enter your trade, and those area you need that is so very important. And on your indicator with the one, you will have your moving average. Your moving average is what you are going to be having there. You are going to be having it on period of 20. You have your shift to be 2, and you have your method to be simple. Let your apply to be apply enclosed. Then we have our style here, which is the four pleaser, and we have our color here. So you can choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. Then we have the second indicator here, which is the commodity channel index. In our commodity channel index, we have the period of 200. We have applies to open, and we have our style to be in blue color. You see that you just press on done. So by doing this, you will have the same thing that I have here on my chart. So let me tell you guys, because many people do ask me what is the zoom level. I'm using the last zoom level. I'm using the last zoom level on 30-minute time frames. I'm using the last zoom level. So this is how this strategy works. If you want to use this strategy to catch up a spike, and at the same time you want to use this to enter a buy entry for long period on crash 1000. So what you just need to do is to wait for your moving average and on your channel commodity index to meet together at the same point. Once they meet together or they cross each other, then that is exactly the right time for you to watch to see. As you can see now, I have a lot of arrow on my indicator window, which is showing me the time and the accurate time they are crossing each other. And you see we have one accurate time at this level. You see the blue cross the yellow line at this level, and also we have another level at this area, which indicates to us that we have a uptrend in the market. You see that, and we're having a downtrend from this particular up down. So until we have another crossing, then we are going to be respecting that level. And we also have another level at this area. You see this area, we have our downtrend. So immediately we have the yellow line crossing the blue over, which is giving us this particular sign that we have at this level. You see that. So once it's giving us this particular sign, which the yellow line is crossing over the blue line at this area, it means that the market is going to bring out a spike on the entry. So you just allow it to cross a little bit, then you enter into your spike entry, and then you keep on taking down your spike entry. So one thing about this indicator is that if you try and practice with this indicator, you will understand the next rejection move of the trade. You see, at this particular time, you see a spike was coming down from this area, and until it gets to this area before we have a reverse in the market. And this reverse in the market have already indicates here that we are having another crossing over at this area, which you need to take that privilege to enter into another uptrend. You see that? So with this, you will have catch another uptrend at this area. You see that? So you see, so once it give us a uptrend at this area, it give us an uptrend here, and it keep on spiking down again. It give us another confirmation at this level that we are having another cross level at this area, but this does not successful. So until we have another one that is successful at this area, you see the crossing was shown here. And once it's shown here, this will serve as another entry for us for what? For spike entry. You see that once you enter at this level, you keep on spiking, taking down the market till you have another crossing. You see now the market currently now is what? Is spiking now because we have that accurate in our chart. You see, this is another level I want you guys to understand again. You see, we have a crossing over at this area. We have at this area also. So you see what happened at this area. You see what happened at this area. What do you see? You see we have a crossing over, and I told you guys once we are having our yellow line that is crossing over the blue line, what do you think? You see that the market is going on a downtrend. You see, that's exactly what happened at this moment. So your entry will be around here, and you keep on taking down the market until you have the second crossing, which happens to be this area. You see that it happens to be this area. So this will be another of your stop loss area at this area. So you keep on checking it out like that. And also let me show you another entry also. You see from this particular area, you can see that we have another crossing on a downtrend like this, on a down area like this. You see that? You see that? So once we have it here, we see that the yellow line is crossing down the blue line at this area, and which give us a sign that we are going to be having an uptrend in the market starting from this level. From these joints, you see now we have a uptrend to that level. So these are the points that you need to understand very well, and which can really help you a lot. You see, same thing also happen at this area. Once you find that joint, just know that there's going to be a downtrend. And once the yellow line is crossing on a downtrend, then it means that we are going to be having a downtrend. You see that? So this strategy also works on boom 1000, also on 30-minute time frames. So what you just need to do on 30-minute time frames is anytime we are having our yellow line that is crossing over the blue line on a uptrend, we are going to be having a downtrend. And anytime we are having our yellow line that is crossing on a downtrend, we are going to be having a uptrend. You see that we are having our blue on a downtrend, whereby the yellow line is on the above line, and we are also having our blue on the uptrend when the yellow line is on the downtrend. You see what the market is saying currently now. So that's exactly how this strategy works on boom and crash 1000. You see same thing happen here. Although what you just need to do is always be patient enough to know the right time, accurate time for you to enter into this trade, so that you will not run in a loss for long period of time before market respects what that level is all about. You see that? So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. You can also like and share our video to more people who are interested in it. And also we have our mentorship plan on our Telegram group. You can also join and also meet a lot of professional people like you. Thanks.